Hello everyone, I need to remind you that the membership is enabled on this channel. If you don't mind become a member, please do it. I received a comment telling me that the newest version of ikemen-go doesn't run on Intel based Macs, and I believe that most of Intel based Macs users do not want to throw out their computers and want to keep using them for many purposes, including playing their favorite Mugen based games. And one of the best engines for that are based on the original Mugen engine is ikemen-go, which allows them to run Mugen based games natively on their Macs. You head to this link, the same one as before, and you download ikemen-go for Mac OS. This one, as you can see, it was last edited as of the time of recording this video 3 hours ago. Probably it's undergoing active development, and we should keep in mind that the latest versions may contain new features that may be very interesting, but may also contain many bugs. So one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that you may face more problems when you use this version due to the bugs that may be there. If you don't feel comfortable with it, you still have the other official version that ran for me on Intel based Mac. You download it by clicking it. I have it downloaded before. I don't need to download it again. And then you click it, it will decompress. I have done that, and you go to the downloads folder, and if you decompress the file, it should have a folder like this. You open it, and then you run this one, double click it. You shouldn't run this one because it's not the same as the one before. It's more like the Mac OS style apps. It's .app, and it's different with the one that I ran before. This one, if it isn't in this directory with these folders, you may need to drop it into the applications folder like any similar application. However, you cannot do it because you have all these folders that are tied to it, and if you drop it there, it may not work correctly. So keep it in that directory with all these directories to have your game after you add the characters and everything else related to them. And then you every time want to run the engine, you double click this ikemen_go command, which is a script. Let's double click it. It says that we do not have the appropriate privileges to run it. So you open your terminal. Actually, I did this off cam and I know the consequences. I am in the directory, which is /user/your username, and then downloads, and then the directory where ikemen-go was decompressed. If we run ls, we can see our script ready here. We run it as root since it complains about the privileges, bash or zsh, but mostly bash. ikemen like this, password like this, and we can say that our friend's guess is right. It says bad CPU type and executable, and here it says ikemen-go Mac OS ARM. We can see the content of this. Yeah, I guess it's mostly for ARM. No need to worry about this. We have the source code. We can compile it for Intel if I'm not mistaken. So my answer to the comment from the viewer is yes, you are right. We cannot run the nightly version of ikemen-go on Intel based Mac OS. You have two options: either to compile from source in case it works, because sometimes it doesn't, or use the other official version. There is this nightly loading, which I'm not sure if it works for, this one. It's pre-release. It was last edited last week. And we have version 0.99, which is the one that I believe that I made the last video about. This one will mostly work. And for this one, I'm not sure if it works. You may need to try it. After downloading the file, we can simply click it to decompress it, and we will have it here. As you can see, double click to enter that directory. We may need to go to our terminal, cd downloads, cd ikemen-go loading Mac OS, and then ls. As you can see, the newer versions have .app, which is mostly a directory that you and any other Mac user drags and drops in the application folder as long as it is possible. For us, I don't think it's possible, since you have a bunch of directories that are tied to ikemen-go, and in case we drag and drop the .app folder, it may not work correctly. So we run bash ikemen-go.command. Yes, so nightly and this version that's pre-release and labeled loading do not work natively. The executables that are precompiled for us do not work natively on Intel. There is the option of using the source code, and we may do it in a future video. So we tried to run, in this video, we tried to run the newer versions of ikemen-go on Intel based Macs, and we failed, as you saw. I'm signing out. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and see you.